Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a photo on the iPhone 14 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen open up the camera app. In here you want to tap on Photo tab, so tap on Photo. Now if you want to switch between the front and the back camera, you can tap on this switch button. This will allow you to rotate to the front camera, how you can rotate to the back camera. Alright, so to take a photo, all you have to do is basically point at a subject like this, and then you can tap on the shoot button to capture a photo. Once the photo is captured, you can tap on the preview button to preview your picture. After that, you can also tap on edit button to make any changes to your picture. You can apply filters, you can change the color, so you can apply the filters to your pictures. You can add in different filters, so we've got dramatic warm, dramatic cool, and you can add in filters to your picture. So I'm just going to discard the changes and go back to my camera. Now in camera, you can also zoom out or you can zoom in. So you can use the wide angle lens, or you can use the standard lens, or you can actually zoom in all the way in. So you can pinch out and pinch in. You can also move your camera towards the subject or move away from the subject. And then from there, you can then tap on the shoot button to capture a photo. Now you can also capture a photo in portrait mode. So in portrait mode, you need to be a certain distance from the subject. You can't be too far away or you can't be too close to use portrait mode. So make sure that you are at the right distance, and then from there you can capture a photo. So once you are at the right distance, you can capture on a photo, and from there you can see it shows portrait, and from there you can tap on edit. In here you can also change how your portrait photos is displayed after you have captured a photo, so you can change. So in here you can see I can change the portrait mode to highlight key mono, stage light mono, and from the bottom here you can also change the intensity of the effect. You can also change the contour light, studio light, and again you can add in effects as well. So you can add in effects to your pictures. You can also crop the pictures. So once you're finished, you can crop on the pictures by moving the crop handle. We can also draw into the pictures by tapping on the pen icon at the top. So there are a lot of things that you can do after you have taken pictures. You can edit to add in other images, drawings. You can add in objects such as a rectangle, circle, square, bubbles, speech bubbles, and so on. I'm just going to tap on done for now, and then tap on done to exit, and then tap on the back key to go back to my camera. Now at the top here are the flash icon. If you need to use the flash, you can switch it on or you can turn it off. Once you're in photo mode, you can also swipe up like that, and in here you can choose whether to use the flash on or off, or you can set it to auto. There's also a live button which will allow the iPhone to capture a small video clips before taking a photo. Now if you don't like to use live photos, you can switch it off, and there's also a different styles that you can choose. So you can see here, if I swipe across, I got a cool style, warm style, a vibrant style, rich, contrast, standard. So select a style that you want to use, and then you can just tap on the shoot button. Now you can tap on that button to go back, and if I go into here, I can also change the format. So I've got 4:3 square, or I can choose 16:9. Okay, so you can set a different resolution or size for your image. And in here, you can also change the exposure before you actually even taking a photo. And then you can also set a timer, so you can set a 3 seconds timers, 10 seconds timers, or off. Alright, so, and then finally you can also apply the effects before you actually take a photo. That is with a timer on. So I'm going to turn off the timer, and I'm going to select off to turn off the timer. And if you want to take a burst shot, you can swipe across like this, and this will allow you to take a burst shot. To capture a video, you can also swipe across and then leave it onto that dot. If you slide across and leave it into that circle, then this will allow you to quickly capture a video while you're in photo mode. So that's it. That is pretty much how you can take a photo using the camera on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.